Assalamualaikum and good day to the lecturers and fellow friends in today's symposium. Now I and my partner will present our poster on the topic Interview Body Language Techniques. Before that, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Nur Safira binti Alam Abdul Rashid and my partner is Nur Imanina Hanani binti Mazlan. We are from Group 3 of the course KSR 3013 Industrial and Organizational Psychology. As you can see on the screen, we have prepared a poster on the topic Interview Body Language Techniques, in which we will emphasize on the do's and don'ts during conventional interview. We will talk on what to do and don't with your eye, lips, leg, arm, posture and attire during an interview. Preparation is the first essential step in the interview process, so don't let yourself down before it's even taken place. It's no surprise that a strong interview is a determining factor in securing a new position. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll be, resulting in a better outcome. A job interview is your opportunity to show a potential employer how you can shine in the role. Think of the interview as an audition for the job and also as a sample for your work, because that's how employers often view it. Job seekers who follow this simple interview do's and don'ts of interview body language should achieve success in this crucial phase of job hunting. So now I will talk on the do's first, then Nur Imanina Hanani will continue with the don'ts. Here are the top things or do's you should do in interview. First of all, for attire, you should wear plain and not more than 3 color combinations, because it is important to dress professionally and look polished for a job interview. Second, you need to maintain eye contact. Eye contact with an interviewer during interview convey your interest during the interview. You need to make sure that you maintain eye contact in a natural and friendly manner. When there are multiple interviewers, you should maintain eye contact with all of them, by turns, of course. Next, you must smile. By smiling, it shows you are comfortable and friendly, and it is also a great way to show employer that you share similar interests and have the potential to be a fresh new addition to the team. Recruiters seldom employ miserable people. It's okay to be nervous, but something as simple as a smile will make you look more relaxed, comfortable, and personable. To put it simply, it will make you more likable. And then for posture, you need to sit straight. Once you sit down, maintaining good posture in interview is crucial. Correct posture reflects how confident you are. By sitting straight, it makes you feel more like a leader. At the same time, move a little so that they know that you are responding and listening to what is going around. The posture should be in such a way that you look and feel relaxed. Then, it is the best to put your arm on lap. By putting arm on lap, it emphasizes that you are listening attentively to the interviewer. Do gesture with your hands, but subtly, of course. Let your subtle hand gestures point to the question you have about the subjects being talked about. Lastly, for the leg, you should tuck your leg and feet on the floor. It conveys a ready-to-action stance. You should know that body language is something that you should always take care of everywhere, and it is at job interviews that it is extremely important. Hence, it is important to maintain a good body language at job interviews because it often forms the basis of your perception and you can nail half of the scores with a good and positive body language. Okay, so that's all from me for the do's. So I will pass to Noimanina to explain on the don'ts.
Alright, thank you Safira for a very informative tips on what we should do in interview. Okay, from now on I will continue this section. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Imanina and I will explain to you on what you should not do in interview. Starting from your attire, eye contact, body posture, arm and leg technique. The first one is attire. A big part of making a good impression is how you dress for interview. It is important to avoid clothes that have multi-colors and excessive jewelry. Be mindful and keep it to a minimum as possible when choosing clothes and accessories. For instance, you can wear blue shirt but pair it with a black suit. Just remember that you want to look professional and confident. Don't let your outfit distract the interviewer. The second one is eye contact. Please don't looking away because looking down, looking away, or avoiding eye contact is a sign of shyness and lack of confidence. Instead, meet the interviewer eyes naturally as you talk. If you feel nervous, imagine that you are having a conversation with a friend and look at the interviewer as a casual conversation. The third one is lips. Don't pursing the lips. When you purse your lips, it can give the impression that you are cognitively confused and nervous. Try to avoid pursing your lips to avoid this impression. The fourth one is body posture. Body posture is very important. Leaning back is usually negative body language. It indicates the loss of interest and show a lack of respect for interviewer. The next one is don't cross arm. Crossing arm is a big no during an interview. It shows disrespect and could give negative impression to the interviewer. Usually, candidates who cross arms during an interview probably feel discomfort and can be interpreted as arrogant. And the last one is avoid leg movement. Any leg movement is not necessary. Be aware of the body language message your legs are giving. Lots of leg movement is both distracting and indicate nervousness. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you everyone for listening to us. We hope that you can practice this technique on your next interview. Using appropriate interview body language in your job interview is essential to your success. So make sure you are not making any mistake on your next interview. It is important to be aware of body language and be responsive to it. Use this tip as a guideline in interview and remember to stay calm and confident. That's all from us. Thank you everyone.